Guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate the support. Last few videos have gone absolutely crazy. We are in Siquijor today and we are going for some waterfalls, some jumps, some cliff jumping, and it's gonna go crazy. It's gonna go crazy. So let's get straight into the video. Right guys, we've come cliff jumping. You can't jump. Sick. So we wanted to jump from up there, but you can't, so we're down here. Jump.
Just rub the old saliva into the mask. That is yummy. Shame I'm so...
Mate, smell mine.
Yummy.
It stinks of damp.
3, 2, 1.
Hey! Too dark. Woo! Let's go! Go! We swam over.
Our boat sank. Our catamaran sank 2 days ago, and we've just got to this raft with nothing. Got an action 6.
We're gonna mow the lawn now.
Get up here. I'm gonna start lawn mowing, and then chill out for a couple of days. Oh yeah. Is it tied down? Yeah. Oh yeah.
We're up. We're going right to the edge.
Should we go hills over or?
No, that's good. Go on that corner. Okay.
Yeah, that one's a bit...
Yeah, you're right. That's the one.
Oh!
You don't hurt yourself. You can get your head to the best. You've just got to, like, you're going to do it.
Send it.
You've got to commit and push back. Like, use your heels to push you back as well, yeah?
Heels?
Yeah, do you see what I mean? Like you're springing off of it.
I'm gonna keep my heels on.
Put them over the edge, I would. Do you need to go on the other side of that platform?
Oh, stay still a sec.
Push, make sure you push.
Steady.
Yourself, right?
Right, wait a sec. Let him do his flip before you get on.
Like, I've never done a backflip.
Yeah, neither.
Just put, like, push yourself. Imagine you're doing like a 30-degree angle.
Great attempt, mate.
Probably not the best platform. Alright boys, look at these. 200 PHP for these bad boys right here. What's 200 PHP? £2.50.
Yeah.
£2.50 H&M Classics from the Filipino shop down the road. Come back here a little bit. Whoa! Oh shit!
I want to see if I can twist.
How would you die?
Start. Jump in, mate.
Just die. I'm so bad at diving. Whoa! Diving's scarier than doing backflip.
Oh, it's fine.
Jump diving. Just literally just fall in.
Just jump and go down, mate.
Yeah, there you go.
It's the twist.
The angle of the dangle.
Indeed.
Right in there.
That's it. It's more that direction.
That's alright.
Oosh, Tom Daly! Oosh, brother!
That felt so right.
Flat. Yeah.
Wow. Oh! I can't figure out this twist.
Go on, do it. Look, chuck it in.
Here, look, like this, mate, like this. Just like that, mate.
Yeah, it's fine, mate. But
That's bush.
Decent.
Our crop is fruity. Bash!
Tom Daly.
Maybe I'll die. Yeah, I can die.
Gold medal, son. Gold medal.
Gold medal!
Let's do this. You don't have to. Go, George.
we lift it up this side.
Right, it's the balance at the start as well.
Yeah.
Push back. Just you throw yourself over.
How
Don't
much?
hit your head.
Yeah, please don't.
That's what I'm afraid for.
Like
Okay, so
if you put your heels
backwards,
over,
Push
like,
back.
Back,
push up and
out, back out, and turn.
Throw yourself.
throw yourself over.
That's what I'm saying. That's what you do. You've examined it.
That's not bad. That's it.
That's a really good try. That's a really great try. Bit more rotation, you've got that.
To be fair, it worked.
Right, back on the bike. Go to the next spot. More of the bike.
This is lovely Honda Beat, and that's all I know.
CC?
Not a clue, mate.
Revs? RPM?
Quite high.
And what exhaust you got?
A nice one. Silent one.
And steering? How's that handle?
Handle's alright.
And helmet?
Dream.
Helmet, what helmet you got?
A nice one. Clean one. Great one.
And custom number plate, what does it say?
It has letters on it.
Yeah, nice. And speedo? Custom speedo.
Yeah, orange.
Nice.
Damn, son, where'd you find that?
Right, so the rope swing is there. We can jump from there and here. How high is it? 6, 7?
It's like saying 7 meters high.
Oh, and you've got to clear that.
If you're gonna jump here, you're gonna run a little bit. Just to go to the water.
It deep enough, yeah?
Yeah, it's deep enough for jumping.
How deep?
It's 11 feet.
Oh.
That's serious.
Mate, that is serious.
Serious.
Have you done it?
Yeah, really.
Let me hold.
Jump!
Send it! This is 12 meters, by the way. Let's go! Let's go! That's ways to go! Let's go! Few jumps, and now we're going up. Hold the Osmo in the hand, and let's see if we can get a good shot coming down. Oh my god.
Give me a signal! Okay! 3, 2, 1!
How it is. We should play American football with the boys. The Austrian team, though.
Boys are loving it.
Great content.
Come on, bro, you gotta lock in. Pissing around with a ball and accidentally launched it up there, so the boys are grasping away to get it for him. Hey! Thank you, bro.
Hello, bud.
Paparino.
Hello. I'm going to name you Grogu. Hello, Grogu.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, he's
Come
so
near me,
cute.
mate. I've got open cuts.
Hello, buddy.
One more corner.
Another one.
Maybe in the next corner.
It's the next one.
It's the next one, it's the next corner. Oh, maybe the next one. Fuck.
The goal.
Holy.
Look at that.
Like, comment, subscribe.